Whether a building's occupancy is commercial or residential, magnetic locks have a number of advantages over conventional locks. Their durability, fast operation make them ideal in a high-traffic environment. Maintenance-free, no moving parts, and their stainless steel construction make them weather-resistant and a good choice in any climate. Vandal-resistant with over 3,000 pounds of holding force, today's magnetic locks are competitive with conventional locks. To the unknowing firefighters, these locks can be a formidable opponent. The key to making entry through these locks comes from understanding how they operate and using the correct entry techniques. A magnetic lock is a simple locking device that consists of an electromagnet and a strike plate. By attaching the electromagnet to the door frame and the strike plate to the door, a DC electric current, roughly 250 milliamps, passing through the electromagnet, attracts the strike plate, locking the door. Occupants use a special key or card to open the lock. The means is placed over the scanning mechanism, and the signal momentarily interrupts the electric current, allowing the door to open. Once the door closes and the electromagnet and the strike plate make contact, the door is locked again. Electromagnetic locks are fail-safe, releasing instantly upon command or loss of power. No key is required to release the lock when exiting the building. However, occupants must still momentarily interrupt the electronic bond. Look for and push the door open button, located by the frame near the leading edge of the door. Forcing these doors in an emergency is simple when the proper tools and techniques are applied. Using a Halligan bar, place the adze behind the door handle between the frame and strike plate. Now push down in a vertical arc, tilting the adze 90 degrees, and break the magnetic bond. You can also use the blade of an axe. Once the door is open, you can keep it from relocking by placing a nail or other similar metal object on the magnetic plate. Firefighters, company officers, and incident commanders should familiarize themselves with their buildings and their response district. During routine inspections, identify any hazard or unusual forcible entry concerns. Then plan and practice your actions. Research, preparation, and training prior to an emergency can increase your members' safety and efficiency. Thanks for watching. I'm John Reichert.